Our Jason Lamb just arrived in the city of Mayfield, where we hear at least 50 people died. Jason, the damage there is just unbelievable.
You're right, Jennifer, and it is just an unfathomable number to hear that. And just seeing this scene for ourselves, I know that you have seen some still pictures and other video from around Mayfield this morning, but seeing this in person is just so incredibly striking. You can see what is left of that candle factory back there, with the backhoes still continuing to work with the rubble that is just left over. I got to tell you, even driving into town here in Mayfield, of course, it is what everyone here is talking about in gas stations, even a couple towns over. Just the impact of these tornadoes and what it did to this town, and the number of people that would have been working in that candle factory. You can see this just massive area set up all to try and get a handle on what they can. In the distance over to the left, you can still see several fire engines, medic units, all still here. You have to imagine that that is because of the chance that there may still be someone or some people perhaps alive in some of this rubble. And they have these emergency crews here ready and waiting for help. But just a massive, massive response here in Mayfield in Graves County. And we, like you said, Jennifer, we just arrived here, so we have so much more to see for ourselves, but we wanted to be able to bring you these images from the ground here in Graves County. For now, we're live in Mayfield. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.
Jason, thank you, and we know we will look for your reports throughout the day on News Channel 5 and on newschannel5.com.
I don't know what to say.
Describing what happened in Mayfield, Kentucky Friday, truck driver Tommy Creason is at a loss.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm trying to find words to say, and you just can't. You just look at it and just like, ah.
But who could blame him when this loss
You can't see the plant anymore because it's ground zero flattened.
is so big?
I hadn't got to the crying tear part yet. It just, the adrenaline's still going, the shock.
With 110 people inside during the late shift at a factory that makes candles, a tornado snuffed out life.
Yeah. It's crazy.
The governor fears dozens are dead here.
If you can hear it in the background, you can hear the track hose and backhoes.
Dozens, but not all.
They're still saying that they're finding people in the rubble, and they're alive. So that's a blessing too. That's a good positive.
If only this were where the tornado stopped.
24 hours ago, it was beautiful, beautiful scenery to drive through and look at. Demolished, destroyed.
In the town square, block after block after block after block.
This building here was a Mexican store.
As you can see, the shelves and everything, I mean, it's all crushing everything, so that's why we're trying to pick up as much as we can. And
on a sunny day as dark as this, silver linings are hard to find.
A lot of people have lost their lives. A lot of people still looking for people.
Folks here say they know they will rebuild.
I don't know, you just gotta pick your feet up and keep going.
But that's for tomorrow. For now, it's enough just getting through today.
It's something we've never seen before. Hopefully, we'll never see it again.
Jason Lamb, News Channel 5. A memory, heartbreaking, catastrophic, and cruel, is now strewn across this town.
We're going to have to celebrate the lives of people that are not going to be with us at Christmas here. We still don't know how many people are missing.
The night of the Mayfield tornado was a memory Jennifer Ruckavina
I guess I was in disbelief,
would rather forget.
and I don't really remember some of what I was doing at that point, just in shock of what I was seeing and hearing and smelling.
There's significant damage to the businesses here.
While heading in to check on a customer's order at her Jeanette's Mayfield Flower Company, this former TV meteorologist just knew
Your instinct is just to go to live.
she had to file this report.
I never imagined seeing what I did see.
The people here need a lot of help.
Honestly, I can't watch, especially the beginning of it, just because I know how upset I was and what had taken place.
There's so much damage. This is 8th Street coming into Mayfield right now. This is Red Eagle CrossFit, if you know where this is in Mayfield. The Red's Donuts is gone. There's significant damage. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
It just feels kind of like you're in a different body. That was a different, that's hard to believe that even happened.
But as bleak as this all seems on the broken, battered surface, Jennifer says hope is on the way.
You almost have this sense of you don't have to worry because you know that the support of the community and the people living around here is going to be overwhelming, that you're not going to feel alone.
What happened here that Friday night will leave indelible scars. But it's the people of Mayfield, Jennifer says, who will make sure this town will be known for more than a memory.
I think it changed a lot of people's souls and how they're going to move forward in this community. I think everyone in America is seeing that soul of Mayfield right now.
Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.